model, 2021 Plate Mercedes-Benz Vito 114 Progressive Cdi Euro 6 starts drives engine misfire No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 65,507. Engine, 1749 ccom 622 DE 17134 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs underpowered. The engine has a misfire. This is either an injector issue or down on compression. Take a chance you could be lucky. No VAT to pay. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0.